Very good morning, students. Yesterday we already discussing about that is contraceptive method introduction. Today the first contraceptive method, that is natural contraceptive method. In this chapter, what is the chapter name? Reproductive health. Reproductive health. In this chapter we are already discussing about yesterday reproductive health. This is second chapter in zoology, subject zoology. In this chapter, yesterday we are already discussing about that is introduction of the contraceptive method. What is the first contraceptive method? What is our target for the contraceptive method? To allow the sexual intercourse but prevent pregnancy. The first contraceptive method in this class we are going to discussing about the first contraceptive method, that is natural contraceptive methods. What is the first method? Natural contraceptive methods. What is the first method? Natural contraceptive. Natural methods. Nothing but natural contraceptive methods. Natural contraceptive methods is also known as a natural contraceptive methods. The natural contraceptive methods are divided into three types. What is the first type of natural contraceptive method? That is the first one, periodic abstinences. Periodic abstinences. This method are also known as a calendar method. What is the method? Calendar method. This method are also known as a rhythm method or rhythmic method. Rhythm method or rhythmic method. What is the second natural contraceptive method? That is Coitus interruptus. Coitus interrupts. The Coitus interrupts are also known as a withdrawal method. Withdrawal method. What is the third method it is involved? It is lactational amenorrhea. Lactational amenorrhea. Today class we are going to discussing about these three methods. These three methods to allow the sexual intercourse, but it prevent pregnancy. The first method. Coming to the first method. First we are going to discuss the first method. After the second one. After the third method. What is the first method? Periodic abstinences method. What is the first method? Today, first method. Okay, we are discussing about this. Okay, all three methods today class. First method, periodic abstinences. This method are also known as a calendar method. This method are also known as a rhythmic method. Coming to the before going to this periodic abstinences, the first some knowledge about the menstrual cycle. Okay, now the menstrual cycle in the female, it is starting to the. It is the average of the menstrual life cycle, that is 28 days. How many days? 28 days average menstrual cycle. It is starting from the first day to 28 days. Okay. After the 14th day, any female, that is the ovulation period. What is it? Ovulation period. Ovulation period means egg is produced. Each and every month female body, the egg is produced 14th day of the month cycle. 14th day of the month cycle. Okay, in the 14th day, see here, 11th day, 12th day, 13th day, 14, 15, 16, 17. See now, 11th day to 17th day is known as fertile period. Fertile period. The maximum 100% chances of the pregnancy is formed by the 11th day to the 17th day. 11th day to 17th day. Okay. Any marriageable age group couples, they don't want children. They don't want children. Okay. Once they don't want children means they are not participated at the time of the 11th day to 17th day. Once they are participated 11th day to 17th day means the egg is produced. Whenever the egg is produced, they participate in the couples or participate in intersex. They participate in the sexual intercourse. The sperm cell, egg cells are fused. The fertilization takes place. The pregnancy is formed. But in this method, it is helpful for the to prevent the pregnancy. How they will prevent pregnancy? Those are the marriageable age groups couples. They don't want children. Okay, but they want to participate in sexual intercourse. Once they are to avoid, the couples avoid 11th day, 12th day, 13th day, 14th day, 15th day, 16th, 17th day means many days they participate in sexual intercourse means no pregnancy. Once they participate into the 11th day to 17th day means pregnancy is formed. Okay, in this method, periodic, that is calendar. What is calendar? First day to 28 days, 14th day ovulation period, 11th day to 17th day, the couples to avoid the sexual intercourse. To avoid the sexual intercourse. To 11th day to 17th day, the couples to avoid sexual intercourse. Once they will avoid sexual intercourse 11th to 17th day, no pregnancy. The remaining days they part sexual intercourse. The pregnancy is formed. That is nothing but periodic abstinences, or also known as a calendar method, or also known as a rhythmic method. Coming to the second important natural method, it is known as a withdrawal method. What is the method, Anna? Withdrawal method. This method are also known as a Coitus interruptus. Withdrawal method also known as Coitus interruptus. The male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina before the insemination, before the ejaculation. It is all these three methods only based on the in our brain activity, in our behavior activities. Once you are not controlling in our brain means it leads into the pregnancy. What is the second method? Withdrawal method, Coitus interruptus means male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina before insemination or inoculation. Okay, the withdrawal also quite interesting. Male partner withdraws penis from the vagina before the insemination or inoculation. This method also to prevent the pregnancy. Okay, coming to the third natural contraceptive method. What is the third natural contraceptive method? That is lactational amenorrhea method. What is the method? Lactational amenorrhea method. These methods to allow the sexual intercourse but no pregnancy, to prevent the pregnancy. What is the third natural contraceptive method? Lactational amenorrhea. Amenorrhea is nothing but menstrual cycle is absent. No menstrual cycle at the time of the lactation period. No menstrual cycle. menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. Coming to the lactation amenorrhea. How this natural method to prevent the pregnancy? How to prevent the pregnancy? For example, the gestation period of the any baby 9 months. The gestation period of the human beings. How many months? 9 months. How many months? 9 months. For example, January 1st, the pregnancy is confirmed. January 1st to up to 9 months, the baby is growing. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. September month or September 5th, the baby is delivered. January 1st to September month, up to September month, 9 months, no menstrual cycle. Progesterone levels are more. Progesterone levels are more. No menstrual cycle means no egg is formed. No egg is formed means no fertilization. No fertilization means no pregnancy. The first month to the last 9th month, the couples are participating into the any sexual intercourse. The pregnancy, no pregnancy. To prevent the pregnancy, the reason is no menstrual cycle. And after the September, October, November, December, January, February. September, October, November, December, January, February. Up to the 6 months, this menstrual cycle is absent. Menstrual cycle absent up to the 6 months. 6 months. Once the couples are participated into the after the delivery of the baby, the mother produced the baby. After the delivery of the baby, the couples are participated in the sexual intercourse. No pregnancy. The reason is at the time of the lactation period, the prolactin levels are increases. Whenever the prolactin levels are increases, FSH and LH hormone levels are decreases. Whenever the prolactin levels are increases, FSH LH levels are decreases. Whenever the FSH LH levels are decreases, estrogen progesterone levels also decreases. Whenever the FSH LH levels are decreases, no formation of the egg. No formation of the egg means no fertilization. No fertilization means no pregnancy. The lactational amenorrhea, it is indicated natural method. Amenorrhea means menstrual cycle is absent. The menstrual cycle is absent in the up to the 15 or 16 months. Once they want to they participate in any sexual intercourse, no pregnancy after the delivery of the baby. The reason is the prolactin levels are increases, FSH LH levels are increases, FSH LH levels are decreases. This is only responsible for to prevent the pregnancy. To prevent the pregnancy, it is indicated lactational amenorrhea. Lactation period means after the delivery of the baby is known as a lactation. The mother, it produces the mammary gland more milk. The milk, along with milk, the mother produces the prolactin hormones. These prolactin hormones levels are increases up to the 6 months after the delivery of the baby. Once these prolactin levels are increased, FSH levels are decreases. Whenever the FSH levels are decreases, no ovulation. No ovulation. No ovulation means no pregnancy. No pregnancy. These three methods indicate natural contraceptive methods. The natural contraceptive method, the first method, the natural contraceptive first method, periodic abstinences. The second natural contraceptive method, withdrawal method, or also known as a Coitus interruptus method. The third method is known as a lactational amenorrhea. What is the first method? Periodic abstinences. The periodic abstinences means at the time of the every month the female produce one egg cell. The female produces one egg cell at the time of the 14th day, that is the ovulation period. Any couples that participated into the 14th day or 15th day or 16th day, 17th day, the fertilization takes place, the pregnancy is formed. Once the couples to avoid 14th day to 17th day or 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th day, 11th to 17th day to avoid sexual intercourse, to avoid sexual coitus, to avoid sexual cohabitation, no pregnancy. For example, some couples they want to for example they don't want to children's. The gap they want to require for the gap. They are part of sexual intercourse. They follow the natural contraceptive methods also to prevent the pregnancy, to reduce the and also to reduce the decreasing of human population also. The human population also. Also they avoid 11th day to 17th day. What is the second natural method is known as a withdrawal method. Withdrawal method means the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina before the ejaculation or before the insemination. Okay, then coming to the third method, lactational amenorrhea. Based on the lactation amenorrhea, after the delivery of the baby up to the 16th month or 15th month, no menstrual cycle. The couples are participating in sexual intercourse. No menstrual cycle means no egg is formed. No egg is formed means no ovulation. No ovulation means no pregnancy, no fertilization. The reason is prolactin hormone levels increases, FSH LH levels decreases. Whenever the FSH LH levels are decreases, they are not responsible for the formation of the egg. No egg, no fusion of the egg and sperm cell. No fusion means no fertilization. No fertilization means no pregnancy. These methods to allow to prevent the pregnancy. Thank you very much.